Na kabinta ki khubor baman kasni pet but subscribe ya u Antornews. Kublai phi baro kinigilong ki khubor bamda kasni. Namar ka jingduh ki mynsiem balui ha Pahalgam Jammu bat Kashmir. Ha ka jingsiat pathar ki lehnoh men ha ka arpo tarik Iaiong ka All India Poetess Conference Meghalaya. Kala pynlong ya ka jingsngewlem lyngba ka jingiakynduh lang ki Nongthoh nongpule poetry ha Creche Hall ka badon ha Lower Lachumiere men ha ka life tarik Iaiong. Ya katay ka pule poetry la penyad ha ka jingyalam ka Professor Nehu head khasi ka badai ka President All India Poetess Conference Meghalaya. Katay ka kinhun nongthoh poetry ka badai tang jongki kynthei ha jilla ka bajupelong ka jingiakynduh lang shisin shisnem ka badai ka jubilee rupa bakin sa penkut menta usnem. Kum ka kinhun nongthoh poetry kim don ai ban kren ne ban ai ya ki long ying ki bla do nong ya ki ba it ba thon re ki don ban ai tang khubor sur pule poetry shaki pat ba kari ya ka ba ka wei ka long kumi khasi ka don ban pinsngo kumni.
Very tragic incident which has happened recently in Jammu and Kashmir. Pahalgam tragedy. Pahalgam tragedy, a nation plight. We mourn the loss and vow to fight against the forces that bring endless night. Our hearts unite in grief and pain, yet our resolve remain unbroken, unchanged. We stand as one against terror tide and ensure our nation peace and pride. The brave souls who left us too soon, their memory a flame that will forever burn. Their lives sacrificed in the name of religion, 25 lives gone forever on that region. Their smiles, their laughter slip in vain. There goes only pain. We'll honor their courage and might and bring those responsibility to justice light. India will not falter, it will not fear. Terrorism grip will strive to clear. We'll work endlessly, hand in hand, to bring a nation where peace stands. The innocent caught in terror snare, may their family be in God's blessings and care. Thank you.